Hey, this is Mike with EDM. I hear a lot of dealers asking, how do I know if my website is working for me? Well, there's a real simple and free tool to tell you what your web traffic is. But the first step, we've got to find out if you've got it on your website. And that's what the purpose of this video is today, to determine if you have Google Analytics installed on your website. And there's a real easy way to find that out. And that's what we're going to go over today. First thing we want to do, we're looking at a website we've just completed for a dealer in Colorado, and we're going to get away from the verbiage and the pictures in the middle here and go out to the white space to the left of the picture. And we're going to right click on that. And we see these options come up, and we're going to go to the one that says View Page Source. Now get ready, you're going to see a lot of computer jargon come up. Ooh, right there. That's the code that the search engines look at to determine what the content is on your website and whether or not to direct people to your website. So what we're looking for in there is Google, and see if Google Analytics is actually loaded and working on your website. So what we're going to do, hit Control F. If you're on a Mac, it's Command F, or you can go up here to where the Edit box is on your toolbar and hit Find. And that's going to make a little box pop up down here in the bottom left-hand corner, and we're going to type in there Google. And that's going to bring up all of the Google matches on our website, and hit enter. Now, if nothing comes up, you don't have Google Analytics installed. But we're looking at this website. Here's Google in green about a third of the way down. That's not Google Analytics though. We're going to hit the down arrow here and see what the next entry is, and right there it is. Google Analytics. So we know Google Analytics is installed and working on this website. Now what Google Analytics does, it tracks the traffic to your website. It tells where they came from, what they were looking for, how long they stayed there, which pages they were on. It's a wealth of information. And your question probably is, well, if I didn't find Google Analytics on my site, why would my website provider not have put it on there if it's free? And the answer is, it holds them accountable to determine if your web traffic is going up or down. We install it on every web page we do. It's important that you have it on yours too, and you look at it periodically to see where your web traffic is going. Now here's the bad news. If you found out you don't have Google Analytics and you install it today, it's not going to go back and track the data to the beginning of your website. It only goes from today forward. So the sooner you get Google Analytics loaded on your website, the sooner you can analyze your web traffic. And we'll talk about that in a future video. Hey, thanks for watching.